Hey there, it's Dayna from Nellie DeeCee Crochet, and today I'm going to show you how to hold your yarn when you crochet. I know there's many different ways that people do it, and I've never really seen anyone do it the way I learned from my grandmothers, but this is what makes the most sense to me. I've seen people hold their yarn up like this and wind it around different fingers like so, and I don't know how they do it, but I simply grab the yarn like this over my fingers. Of course, now that I'm showing you, I can't remember how I do it. So the loose end is over my fingers like this, and then I hold, so the long end of the yarn goes around my index finger, and my thumb holds the yarn like so, and the long end of the yarn is held by my pinky and my ring finger like this, so that as I crochet, here's my slip stitch. I'm holding my piece with my index finger and my thumb, and the tension is guided by my pinky and my ring finger from underneath. And to me, that is the easiest way to hold your yarn. So one more time. You wrap the yarn around your index finger with the short end in front, holding the yarn between your thumb and your index finger, and then your long working part of your yarn is held for tension with your pinky and your ring finger. And then you grab hold of your project with your thumb and your index finger, and your tension here with these two fingers. It works beautifully. And so try that out. I think you'll like the way to hold your yarn that way. It makes a lot of sense, and it helps with your tension. And that is how I hold my yarn, among many other ways that other people hold their yarn, but this is how my grandmothers taught me, and it makes a lot of sense. So why don't you give it a try? I'm Dayna with Nellie DeeCee. Bye-bye.